Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add code block or how we can add inline code in Todoist. So let's start. It's like really simple. You just have to write this symbol, the backtick, and you can find also where it is on keyboard. So it's called backtick. Now when I'm going to add a task here, you need to add 3 of backticks, and let's go code block. And voila, this is how you get a HTML whatever code block you want. Or you have an option to add only 1, and it will create as an inline code. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.